If you have rubber floor mats in your vehicle, they're eventually going to get dirty. So we thought it made sense to make a video going over some of the tools and chemicals you can use to properly clean your rubber floor mats. So let's pull the floor mats out of this truck and we'll go over the chemicals and how to clean them. All right, so we'll grab our rubber floor mats out of here, and as you can see, this is a brand new truck and these are by no means dirty, but they'll work for the sake of the video. As far as chemicals go, you really have two main options when it comes to cleaning floor mats. Right here we have an all-purpose cleaner. This is Koch-Chemie's Green Star. You would use this in a situation where you have really dirty or grimy floor mats. If they're not that dirty, like the one we have here today, you would want to use an interior cleaner. This is P&S's Xpress interior cleaner. For brushes, Detail Factory makes some excellent brushes for this application. Ideally, you would have a variety of brushes, but I think that the tire brush from Detail Factory is the absolute best for cleaning floor mats. So let's get right into the cleaning. First, we're just gonna shake and knock off all that loose dirt and dust that's sitting in there. Then we will take our cleaner of choice, in this case, P&S Xpress Interior Cleaner, and then we will soak down the floor mat. Now, if you don't want to use this much cleaner, you could wet them down beforehand. It would dilute the product, but that's really not an issue when you're doing something big like this. So now we'll take our brush of choice, spray a little bit of cleaner just on the tips of this, and we can start scrubbing, going in the direction of those grooves. And every floor mat is different, so really use whatever scrubbing method you deem the most appropriate for your mats. There's really no right or wrong way to do this. Now that every surface of the floor mat has been sufficiently scrubbed, we can throw it on the ground and rinse it off with some water. And we'll just rinse all the soap off of these floor mats. As far as cleaning goes, you're now done. All there's left to do is let them dry. Ideally, you would do this right after you did the wheels when you're washing your car. That way they have time to sit in the sun and fully dry off while you wash the car and dry it. You might be inclined to put some sort of coating or dressing on these, like a pearl or even an OG tire dressing, but I would highly advise against that. You really don't want to put anything on your floor mats, as they could become very slick once they get wet. If you're having issues with your floor mats fading, you would honestly just want to replace them. As always, you can get every chemical and tool we mentioned in this video at obsessgarage.com. And if you have any questions, let us know in the comments or reach out directly at support@obsessgarage.com.